All right, everyone, welcome to another video, Full Speed Impossible. And today we're back doing some Klx110L content, and we did a poll on it: Yoshimiri or Bill's big bore exhaust. And you know what? It was close. It came out a little bit more on the Yoshimiri side by a little bit, but I hadn't put my vote in, and my boy hadn't put my vote in. It pretty much tied up, and you know what? I just don't see a lot of videos on the Bills, and I hope that's because it's not like bad or anything, but we just really wanted to try it out. We wanted to do a video on the Bills for you guys, and we're going to be posting plenty of videos. Get some videos out there, some quality sound clips to sing, and see what we got going on. Is the Bills worth the money? Wasn't a bad price. Got actually on discount at like $420. Usually goes a little over $5, about what the Yoshimiri goes for. But it being on sale just seemed like the no-brainer for us to pick it up. So let's see what we got. All right, guys, right off the bat, Bills looking fantastic. Now, I will say, it's kind of like one of those things. You're kind of just stuck with it now. Like, these pipes are getting so darn big. Like the diameter. It's like, these are just little pit bikes. Like, hey, here's my boys. Like, he's got the Pro Circuit. He's got the T6 on this thing. And honestly, it fits the bike pretty decent. It's still a little bit big size pipe, but it fits the bike real nice. I like the way it come out. We got the T4 on here, which I just think with the smaller diameter pipe and all that, it just fits that size bike perfectly. But here's the problem. Maybe we're losing horsepower. T4's been a really great pipe for us, but now we have that 155 kit in there. We need a big bore exhaust. And this is, yes, the Bills big bore exhaust. Here's the header pipe, all right? They got a little scientific engineering going on here because it starts out a little on the smaller side, to be honest, and then it flares out and starts going for that big bore pipe. Should be pretty simple. We're going to take our old exhaust off, and then we're going to put this exhaust on. Should only be a few bolts. I don't even see any like exhaust springs, so this is just a simple slip on the header and you're done. So quick fire up here. Whew. Now, if you want to see the spicy revs, you have to check out my other videos. We already revved her pretty good. We're not going to beat on her too hard. But there you go. That's the T4 exhaust. Let's see what that Bills sounds like. Oh yeah, look at, she sounds good. I'm wearing sweatpants. Bike's filthy, guys. Trust me, you get close, and this thing is actually destroyed. So we got a new timing chain, cam chain, whatever we want to call it. We're gonna be putting a new one in one of our videos. Then we'll get the jetting dialed in on this thing. But that sounds good. I'm super happy. I have we put a Yoshimiri on the 144 kit, and that's a good sounding pipe for sure. But I am not regretting anything here. Whew, that's good. We gotta blue the pipe up too. We gotta put some blue on this thing. Gotta make it look fancy. Oh yeah, and she'll sound good once we're climbing hills, boys. All right, guys, so there you go. That's the Bills pipe on the Klx110L, sounding so good. We're going to get this thing dialed in timing and jetting. And we're going to make sure we put plenty of videos out there of this thing ripping on that Bills pipe, so you guys could hear the Bills pipe and what it really sounds like when she's barking. So I appreciate you. You guys know the deal. Until next time, we'll see you later.